Okay, so I just read about this project called Minecraft that combines LLMs with Minecraft. It's wild how they're using AI to craft virtual experiences.
Right? It's fascinating. The idea of using language models to interact within a game like Minecraft is mind-blowing. How does that even work?
Well, apparently, it allows bots to write and execute code in Minecraft, which opens up all sorts of possibilities for gameplay. But wait, isn't that risky?
Totally. There's a warning about connecting the bot to public servers due to potential vulnerabilities, like injection attacks.
Exactly, it's like inviting a hacker into your house. But it makes me think, how does the sandboxing work to prevent that?
I believe they run the code in a controlled environment, but there's still a risk if the user enables insecure coding. That's a big gamble.
But isn't the whole point of Minecraft creativity? What if someone genuinely wants to explore these possibilities despite the risks?
That's the trade-off, isn't it? The allure of creating something unique versus the risks involved. It's like a digital playground with consequences.
Speaking of creativity, users can customize bots through JSON files. Imagine the unique interactions you could create with that.
Right? Each bot can have its own backend LLM and prompts, tailoring its behavior and responses to different scenarios.
But I wonder how effective these bots are at completing tasks. Do they really perform as expected?
Good question. They've implemented a task system to evaluate performance, which is pretty clever. But how accurate is that?
Well, the bots are supposed to gather items or build structures, but I wonder about the variability in their success rates.
That's interesting. I mean, it's one thing to set a goal, but can they adapt if something unexpected happens?
Exactly, if they're not programmed to handle surprises, that could lead to frustrating experiences. It's like training a dog.
And then there's the need for robust APIs. There are so many different API keys listed. Managing that sounds like a headache.
It is, plus users must have the right version of Minecraft and Node.js. It could be a hurdle for casual gamers.
Right? It's like a barrier to entry for some. But once they're in, the creative potential seems limitless. How cool is that?
Wait, did you see that they can even connect to online servers? That's a game changer, but also risky.
Yeah, it raises questions about security. You'd need a separate Microsoft account just for the bots. A hassle, but necessary.
It's like having a dual identity in the gaming world, but it also showcases how the community can shape these bots.
Definitely, the collaborative aspect is exciting. Users can create profiles that influence bot behaviors. Where will that lead?
Imagine the creativity as people share their bot profiles, but I wonder if this will lead to more chaos in servers.
True, it could either enhance gameplay or lead to total anarchy. It's a double-edged sword for sure.
And let's not forget about the models themselves. There are so many options for different tasks. It's like choosing a tool for a project.
Exactly, but it's crucial to understand which model works best for what task. Poor choices could lead to disappointing results.
Right, and if the models aren't compatible, they default to basic methods, which can't be very effective.
That's a big limitation. Mixing APIs could solve some issues, but it also complicates things further.
This whole setup feels like a balancing act between innovation and risk. I can see it drawing in both enthusiasts and skeptics.
Absolutely, it's like a frontier of gaming tech. The potential for learning and exploring is enticing, but not without caution.
And speaking of learning, how do you see this impacting future AI developments in gaming or education?
That's a great point. If the bots can learn from their experiences, we might see a shift in how AI interacts in collaborative environments.
Definitely, it could redefine teamwork in gaming. But what about ethical implications? How do we ensure responsible use?
That's critical. As these technologies advance, establishing guidelines and safety measures will be essential.
Right, and it all boils down to the users, doesn't it? Their creativity and caution will shape this AI landscape.
So true. It's about finding that sweet spot between innovation and responsibility. That's the real challenge ahead.
Wait, I just realized, could this lead to AI-generated content actually influencing game design?
That's a fascinating angle. We could see a future where AI contributes to game narratives or environments directly.
But would that enhance the experience, or could it take away the human touch that makes gaming special?
Great point. There's something irreplaceable about human creativity. The balance will be crucial as this tech evolves.
So Minecraft is really pushing the envelope here. It's not just about gameplay, it's about redefining interaction and creativity.
Absolutely. And it raises so many questions for the future of gaming and AI. I can't wait to see where this goes.